an awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel. Anna Esmeralda here, and today we're off for another video. And in this video, I am going to show you a DIY makeup remover. So by the way, if you're new here in my channel, make sure first to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to keep you updated. And without further ado, let's go now into the video. So in this video, we will only use a few things. Glass of water, coconut oil, purifying facial wash, or you can also use a baby shampoo or baby body wash. A container, measuring spoon, this is 1 tablespoon, and a funnel. So yeah, those are the things that we need. So let's go now into the video. To start off, we just need a glass of water, 2 tablespoons of facial wash. We will pour it in the glass of water, of course. 1. So yeah, mix it all together, guys. It actually depends kung anong facial wash yung gagamitin mo. For me, I just use this one. After placing 2 tablespoons of facial wash on the glass of water, I'm going to use this coconut oil, also 2 tablespoons. So, 2 tablespoon ng coconut oil. So, yeah, this is the mixture that I have, guys. Let's pour it on the container that we have. So, I'm just using... So, let's pour na the mixture to the container that I have. So, this is only from Skin White. It's an empty bottle from Skin White. So, I'll be using this one. Let's just recycle. Then, I have a small funnel here para hindi ma-waste yung product. So, ipopour ko na lang. Ay, ala! Oh my gosh! So, yeah, this is the Ay, ala! So, yeah, this is the facial remover that... So, yeah, this is the makeup remover that I made. So, let us try it on. I have a cotton pad here. So, itetest na natin if nag-work siya talaga. Yes, it really works, guys. So, makikita nyo talaga. So, yeah, this is how it looks like. Really like this one because napaka-light sa skin, hindi siya harsh, and it's really easy to remove, especially nang dahil sa virgin coconut oil. I know it's because of the oil, kaya ganun siya kabilis ma-remove yung makeup. So, yeah, I hope you try this one out. I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to comment down below your suggestions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye, lovies!